This literature kit on Gregor the Overlander by Suzanne Collins surpasses all expectations with thought-provoking activities. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Write the true version of false statements from the book. Recall in detail the complete prophecy as told to Gregor. Determine what a metaphor is and find an example from the story. Students explore the concept of betrayal and reflect on a time in which they experienced this. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as having students create their own underland and write a short story about how to get there. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Compare the Overland and Underland in a graphic organizer. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.